नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्याक येवकार आनी विशय आसा तो प्लॅनिंग आनी डेव्हलपमेंट ऑथॉरिटींचो. जी सोमाराक बसका जावपा आशिल्ली TCP बोर्डाची आतां फुडली सोमाराक जातली. कितें जातलें आनी हे जे डिविजन करपाचे प्रकार चल्ल्यात ताजे फाटल्यान प्लॅनिंग आसा काय कोणाची डेव्हलपमेंट आसा हाजेर आमी आज भासाभास करतात. 3 मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर. पयले आसात गोंयांतले एक नामनेचे आर्किटेक्ट एक्टिविस्ट आणि एक जाणे GBA भितर सुद्धा एक्टिवली हाजे पयलीं काम केलां, डीन डिक्रूज. वेलकम. दुसरे आसात गोवा फॉरवर्ड, जांचे खातीर हे सगळे उठाठेव चल्ल्या, ताचे चीफ स्पोक्सपर्सन राजन बाब डिबेलो. स्वागत. आणि एक तिसरे आसात काँग्रेसीचे ज्येष्ठ फुडारी आणि आदले कलंगूटचे आमदार आग्नेल फर्नांडीस. स्टार्ट विथ यू. एज अ प्रोफेशनल and also as an activist, when you look at such things happening, what is it? It is planning or somebody's development? I'll start with that.
Yeah, I think first you must understand, the purpose of PDAs. PDAs were envisioned as planning and development authorities. So basically, if you look at the old days, they were making marketplaces, they were putting in housing schemes, like the Porri PDA colony. All these were fairly good work in terms of trying to develop at least the infrastructure for the people. But now it has become a licensing authority. There is no planning and development taking place. And it's now become the fiefdom of people who are, you do favors for, giving them a PDA to head the PDA is something. It's like a little bit of a parcel, a gift to them. And there's no real planning taking place. And if you go to see now under the 73rd and 74th Amendment, which was made over 10 years ago, it clearly states that planning is in the domain of the panchayat and the municipality. So both spatial and economic planning is in that domain. So PDAs actually need to cease to exist. Panchayats and municipalities, with the technical support of the town planning, can do their own decision making in terms of allotment of land. Now we go to the case of the ODP, for example. The ODP is called an outline development plan. It is a zoning plan. That means basically you say that this area between 18 June Road and whatever or whatever other road there is, that is commercial or C1 or whatever. Then another zone. Here it's individual plots which are being converted, and that is definitely not planning. The planning has to be very specific too in terms of what is the density you want to create. Do you have enough parking in the area? Is your road width enough for any commercial or high density settlement area? So the basic norms of planning are not being followed at all.
So yeah, this is just politics of convenience.
It is. And unfortunately, the people who are taken on board are just yes men of the politicians. So they're not really even real experts on planning, it seems.
Agnel Bab, किती दिसता पळयतकीर? कारण म्हाका याद जाता तुमी जेन्ना आय रिमेंबर दॅट तुमी जेन्ना तुमच्या टायमार तुगे पार्लमेंटरी सेक्रेटरी करताले आनी तुमी एकदा पार्लमेंट 3 पार्लमेंटरी सेक्रेटरी आशिल्ले सारखे. आता ते 3 PDA करतात. व्हॉट इज दिस?
इनफॅक्ट हांव PDA चेअरमॅनूय आसलो.
हय.
आनी तेन्ना आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान तेन्ना चिंतले थोडे विलेजीस हाडपाक, आनी पीपल ऑब्जेक्टेड टू डेट. आनी आमकांय कळोन येयलें की we are trampling on the powers of the village panchayat. Under that section 238 and 239, all the powers are given to the panchayat to do this planning. And also there is a constitutional this where planning has to be done by the panchayats. Now getting panchayats into this planning authorities is very bad. Now ODP, what does the ODP do? In Kandolim and Kalangut, they have done ODPs. There is no planning, but certain areas have been converted into higher FAR. So there is no infrastructure development. Where it was 80%, you have given 100% for big builders from outside. And there is no planning in that. One builder comes to you, asks for 100% FAR, you have given him 100% FAR. No planning, no road widening, no water, no provisions for electricity. So this is basically just to please somebody that they are doing this.
आज जे डिव्हिजन जाता तर भितर पंचायतसी घेवपा पळयतात, एडिशनल एरियाज घेवपा पळयतात, एंड देयर प्रायमरी आर्ग्युमेंट इज ultimately city grows and you have to make provisions for the growth.
My problem is getting the villages into this PD. Now if you divide Panjim city into 3-4 PDs also, I have got no problem. Let them do the planning for better
Your problem is with the expansion.
Getting the villages into this.
Yes, you are saying when the city is expanding and including villages, there is a problem.
There is a problem. Why do you want to get them? Why do you want villages into that? There are panchayat bodies who are capable of doing that. And now there is a regional plan. They have done an exhaustive exercise of there was a village committee which have said this is what the villagers want. When this is there, There is no land use map is there, and suddenly you come with the ODP. That is wrong.
राजन बाब, तुमचं कन्सिस्टंट आर्ग्युमेंट असा की प्लॅनिंग आणि डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या दृष्टीतल्यान गरजेचे, सिटी ग्रो जाता म्हणून हे गरजेचे. लेट अस बी व्हेरी फ्रँक, डोंट यू थिंक दिस इज, लेट अस ऍडमिट की दिस इज अ पॉलिटिकल मूव, कोणाक तरी सॅटिस्फाय करपाक जाय, कोणाक तरी ऍडजस्ट आणि एकोमोडेट करपाक जाय म्हणून एक आसा ताच्या 3 कुडकी करप. Isn't it a fact?
No. See, it is a political move. We are a political body, a political party. We have made commitments to people, and we have to, for that, we have to take certain steps.
So for that, you are going to divide PDS into 3.
Let me finish. At the moment, what the TCP minister has done to divide what are already in the planning areas. Nobody has admitted that villages will be included. But TCP,
you won't include Bamboli.
1 minute. One, the question is, the TCP Act also has to keep on amending as per the times. Now we talk about village panchayats. In the regional plan, as he brought out, Dean de Cruz was a part of that regional plan. What happened? Did you decide to give it to them? You didn't decide it at that point of time to give it to them, to give it to the panchayats, the power of planning. You decided to do the planning. And what was done? It was the biggest scam. In the 2021 plan, 10% was shown that would be converted, with a clause saying that all earlier commitments will be. 1 minute.
Rajan Bab, why are you going to regional plan?
Because regional plan was a part of the planning.
No, but see, here you are trying to divide Planning and Development Authority, North Goa Planning and Development Authority,
See, 5 years
solely to satisfy political and
we are solely
personal ambitions.
No, we are to commit a commitment politically to the people of Goa.
Yes.
Is to have an organized development. 1 minute. 5 years the present PDA chairman is sitting with OPD. Till today it is not approved.
So if
So
there
you
is,
are, when you try to decentralize the situation, you say that we are trying to support somebody politically. If you keep it in one with all the powers in one person's hand, you are only allowing one person to eat the cake.
so tomorrow Goa Forward can come up with an argument that let us have one CM for North and one CM for South.
No, this type of argument we will not come out. We are not so stupid.
Yeah.
Let us be very clear. Don't confuse running of the state with the part of planning. Remember that you have a dynamic TCP minister for the first time who is taking steps, and before the steps can be taken, you are trying to abort that child.
Yeah.
No, Trojan was saying you are allowing 1% to eat the cake. So you are agreeing that this is this is eating
I,
the cake.
I never said that. I said
You said just now.
when you give it to 1%, you say you are allowing 1% to eat the cake. When you
No,
start
here's the
dividing,
question of eating. You are telling the people now that this is a piece of cake.
Baba, please understand. This is what he is putting in other words, saying that you are dividing for political gains.
That is what people understand also.
Now my question is, if you
And
keep
you are
it-
agreeing that you have made commitments to certain people.
No, we have made commitment to the people of Goa that
Okay,
we will
okay.
we
I'll-
will
yeah.
give us see today lakhs of square meters in villages of orchard land is being converted and sold to migrants as plots.
That's wrong.
And let me tell you,
Nobody is
we have-
supporting that.
We have a very reputed architect.
Yeah.
He belongs to an architect association. See, these architects planning and engineers designing houses in land which are not converted. What are we talking about?
दोन मुद्दे आहेत. First point is obviously about whether it is sensible to divide NGPDA into 3 parts. The second point is that Agnel Bab raised, whether it is sensible to include more areas, including the village areas into it. And a third point is regarding the regional plan. If we keep on expanding PDAs like this, what happens to regional plan? Yeah.
I tend to agree with Agnel in the sense, the fact that when you divide, if you're sticking to the city area and you make more PDAs, so long as the planning is done in a proper manner, where you actually do it zonal wise, you don't give individual people who you're committed to make their plots into a higher FAR, that is fine within that whatever municipal area, whatever. But in consonance with the local authorities, where it's Panjim, you have to be the CCP on board. With MAPSA, you have to have the municipality on board with the planning thing. You cannot do it separately because they are the people who will provide the infrastructure for it. When it comes to expanding into villages, that is a complete no-no because the regional plan is there as a document which clearly says what is settlement area, and the regional plan has been generous enough in the amount of settlement area that is given, but it's also specified what is eco-sensitive, what are the areas you must keep for future generations and protect it. And the ODPs are merely seeking to wash that away, to intrude into those eco-sensitive areas, and that is actually not on. ODPs are a subset of the regional plan. They cannot over supersede the regional plan, and that is what is taking place here, and that is completely wrong, I believe.
द इशू असा तो तांचो की अल्टिमेटली आज ग्रोथ अशी जाल्या की एक कोस्टल PDA गरजेचे आसा. दॅट फॉर बेटर प्लॅनिंग एंड एक्झिक्युशन कोस्टल PDA इज रिक्वायर्ड. आता पणजेच्यान जे ते करता पळय ते बांबोली सांताक्रूज बी हाडून तें कितें म्हाका खबर ना, बट कोस्टल PDA म्हणटात ते गरजेचे आसा आनी ती डिवायड करून सेपरेट करून ताजे प्लॅनिंग आनी डेव्हलपमेंट जावपा जाय. एज अ MLA ताणी कोस्टल हे गजाली हँडल केल्या हाजे पयलीं. वॉट डू यू फील?
Coastal there is a CRZ, GCZME is there. They are doing that, and there is only 33% FAR there. So they are taking care of the planning there. So why do you need another PDA for that? Well, there is a GCZMA, and what Trojan is saying that unplanned development in the villages is the town planning does not have any authority to act against it. They can act against it. No? So why do you need a PDA to do that? To take action against unplanned this, there are other panchayats are there, town planning is there, everybody is there. So why do you need a PDA? Now what does the PDA do? Like I know, for example, from Kandolim and Kalangut, the ODP is done, and they only increased the FAR in those areas. Nothing else has been done. No planning has been done. Now for certain hotels,
they are only being reduced to a licensing authority.
Licensing authority. There is no planning. The roads are there only for certain hoteliers. The roads are being widened by demolishing people's compound walls illegally, forcefully. Otherwise, there is no other planning.
See, this is one live example. जे म्हणतात की कोस्टल म्हण तुम्ही एक्सपांड करपाक जाय म्हणे कांदोली आणि कलंगूट इन्क्लूड केले न्ही ODP भितर, आणि द रिझल्ट इज व्हेरी एव्हिडंट. मीन्स ताका इन्क्लूड करतकीर ताजेर कितें तरी कोणी व्हडली तकली फोडली, प्लॅनिंग केलें, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तुगेलें हें केलें, वॉटर रिसोर्सीस वाडयले, अशें कांयच रोड वायडन केले, अशी गजाली करून मागीर कन्स्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट जालें अशें काय आमी पळयलें ना. सो व्हाय शूड पीपल बिलीव that this will lead to better planning?
See, people
and this is not political.
See, you have to understand one thing: the TCP minister has started taking certain steps in certain directions. Allow him to complete it. Why are you jumping the gun without anything happening? We have got a regional plan, as I'm again repeating, it has got very much to do. That you made a big mess of the whole thing. At that point of time, they did not say, Edgar Ribeiro did not do the regional plan, the plan in Delhi by going to panchayats, by giving powers to panchayats. Edgar Ribeiro, Charles Currie had to walk out from this scenario because they could not handle it, and ultimately the whole plan was kept on hold.
आता रिजनल प्लॅन तुम्हीच करपाक जाय आणि एक्सपान्शन तुम्हीच करपाक जाय. जेन्ना आता रिजनल प्लॅन तुम्हीच करपाचे, तुम्ही आनी एक्सपांड कित्याक करता?
Coming to the point, no, he said no just now. You am also saying that it is become to a licensing authority. Nothing beyond that. This is exactly what he's trying to change.
Okay.
I think you have to see. I think it's a lot of bull when you're talking about the regional plan.
Yeah,
Edgar
that's why you should clarify it.
Yeah, I mean it's very clear that the regional plan was made. There were minor defects in the plan which people brought out. Maybe some people said it was a little too much, some people said a little too less. The plan was supposed to go back to the village and for a final round. But whatever study is done over 4 years, it was a very intensive study, getting data from all over, and we made sure that we protected the heart and soul of work.
Today nobody wants to respect that data.
No, 1 minute,
and
1 minute.
That is the most important. The data is the most important part of any
data
planning.
is the most important factor in planning.
Yes, but what happened in that data?
No.
It was cheating the people of Goa.
How?
I'm telling you, no. It said that 10% only will be converted. Listen to me.
No, where is the
But
10% converted?
It is the 10% rationale.
No, that is what the government did eventually after the draft plan was
No, but
submitted.
then there was a clause that all previous commitments would be.
That is what the government did after task force submitted the plan.
I know the main reason.
That became the entire scam.
Okay.
The main reason for I think holding back the plan is because the plan was transparent. Everybody knew what was settlement, what was regional plan thing, and now it is kept in abeyance and things pass on a case-to-case basis, and we know what case is involved.
Yeah, the case is not case.
The case is not case, but you know what this case, no?
So the gazal clear asa. खरेच 3 राव आता लेट्स गिव बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट टू ट्रजन बाब. तो म्हणटा की आमी कितें तरी करपाक पळयतात टू स्ट्रीमलाइन द ऑपरेशन्स.
Definitely.
So allow us to
How
complete.
can you have-
Okay, now there are 2 people who have handled PDA who come from coastal area and a very senior renowned architect here. Do you think NGPDA 3 भागांनी जर डिवाइड केली अशी फायदो जातलो प्लॅनिंगा भितर?
ते बायफोकेट करिना, ते आनीक हाडटा.
Nowhere it is said.
There is a report that you are getting Bambolin. They are
Okay,
getting.
you are saying that you will not
Is
get
there a
Bambolin
commitment to the
Center
people of
Goa?
Goa?
There is no. In fact, the PDA chairman of North Goa is on record that he has appealed to include the villages of Arpara and Para and.
He will. Why he wants that? Only to increase the FAR again.
Correct, but what is the meaning of that? He has appealed. It is not yet accepted. So why are you jumping the gun?
Rajan Bab, we only seek clarity. Will
Please
you
understand, there is-
include
please.
Santa Cruz and
See,
Bambolin?
At the moment, they are going to break up only, and these 3 PDAs. I am not understanding from where it has come. Just reports we are discussing.
There is no
something.
3 PDS also.
Yeah, I'm not. We are not very clear about it. But the minister is still in the process of taking final decisions.
Also, before you do any planning, you increase the FAR. Have you all studied what is the water needed for that particular planning area? What is the power needed? Are the road widths enough? There's no study. You've just converted directly. You're putting the cart before the horse.
No, the PDA that will be break up, they will do the work.
Din Bab, let
Who
us
is going to
no,
be it?
let us
You
give
are
the-
going to
okay,
be
okay,
it.
okay, wait.
It is
Let
the
us,
PDA who will do it.
Din Bab, let us
So how are you
give.
converting things before you? Kalangut
Wha-
PDA, Mapsa PDA, Panjim PDA, they convert it without even having basic data on them.
Where it is approved.
No.
Okay.
Rajan Bab will come to
That's
that.
what we are
We are
doing.
giving you
We are not approved
benefit.
as
Okay,
yet.
right now for the time being, we are giving you benefit of doubt. एक दिन Bab सांगत म्हाका ये bifurcate करप. Is it a sensible option or no from the professional standpoint?
I can understand if somebody is overworked, you have to divide it.
It
for
is
work.
overworked.
No, let him finish. No. Yeah.
So, but if it,
Therefore, it is not approved for the last
but
5
also
years.
Let him finish. No.
Yeah, you're dealing with one particular area which has a particular character. It is not just 3 separate cities together, which is what happens if there's no coordination between these 3 PDAs? They're one city. How can you separate? This is a separate PDA, that is a separate PDA. What happens on the border? The city is one organism almost. No? You cannot say that this is done by one PDA planning
Let the
authority.
bifurcation take
No.
place. but why you
One thing
jumping
is
the gun that-
no.
that it
One
is
thing
within the
is
You have to have one
that is
overall
regarding
plan.
You are just taking a
Panjim. No,
report and
that
discussing
is
something.
Din Bab, that is regarding Panjim.
Yeah.
What about a coastal PDA? Do we require a coastal PDA?
If the density is enough where it requires a planning authority to give support and all, then by all means, you have a planning authority that basically comes in over there, but you have to implement planning. If you look at the roads, massive building complexes on a 6-meter road, planning has to be done with some sort of methodology in place here. So if you have a larger complex, needs a broad road, 12 meters, 15 meters, whatever. Otherwise, you cannot do a large project.
Rajan Bab,
You scale it accordingly.
There was a High Court order stopping all construction of Kalangut Kandolim in that area because we had already exceeded the double the
Carrying
structure.
capacity.
So what are you going to plan now? Why do you need a coastal PDA? You cannot plan anything more. So why do you need a coastal PDA?
You are saying it is only to increase the FAR.
Only to increase the
राजन बाब एक गजाल सांगा तुम्ही डू यू एडमिट ओके ते मागीर कोणाच्या माथ्यार मारपाचें पळोवया दॅट द बेजीक फंक्शनींग ऑफ PDA सामके ज्यो आसात कारण मडगांवचो आतां इन अभियन्स आसा नवीन करता म्हणटात नॉर्थाचो जाला पूण तो नोटिफाय जायना रिजनल प्लॅन जाला पूण तो मुखार वतना अशें एक विचित्र प्लॅनिंग कॅओसा भितर एंटायर स्टेट आसा सद्या you admit that our PDAs till now have failed in doing their core duty.
100%. Therefore, the minister is taking steps.
This is the solution.
Therefore, he's taking steps. Give him chance, no? He has come up with a TDR policy. What does it mean?
Nobody has
Was it
criticized TDR.
Huh?
Nobody has criticized TDR.
You cannot criticize. You cannot.
Nobody has raised objections on TDR the way people are raising objections on this.
You are raising objections on things that are not finalized. TDR is also in the air.
Nobody has raised objections.
1 minute. What I'm trying to say, TDR is one big aspect which will conserve a lot of eco-sensitive areas and non.
Yes.
So
Nobody has raised objections.
So therefore,
on TDR.
let the PDAs be formed. Let us see with the town. Now, for example, he said TCP has no powers to take. What is that power? 1 lakh fine. Crores of property is being converted and 1 lakh fine. Our top architects are going and designing plans we're not seeing the documents in a eco-sensitive zone, and you talk of big morality.
Architect
They
is not
should-
the authority to crack down on illegal
Please,
constructions.
they have got a responsibility.
Yes, of
Just as the
course,
doctor has got
but
a
they are not the
responsibility.
authority to crack
Conversion
down.
is done by who?
They are not the
Town
authority to crack
Who
down.
does the conversion? Not town planning.
No, without conversion, I'm saying.
No. Who gives that permission? When the architects submit the plan, who gives the permission? Not the town planning
No,
department.
you're not under what I'm saying. I'm saying they are designing plans where conversion are not granted.
No, they can design the plan.
Therefore,
If
there is
there
a
is a town-
responsibility. Why you talk then?
No, town planning department.
If I can clarify what's happening on those plotted developments, basically they get people just divide some orchard piece of
Yes.
land into plots.
Yeah.
They get one
And crores of
chapa.
rupees.
They get
And
a
what-
chapa from the town planning department saying this is a plotted development.
Correct.
Some unsuspecting person from Delhi comes, he looks like a plot, he sees town planning chapa, he thinks he can build on it. So that is the racket that is going on. People are doing this sort of racket.
Dean Bab, what you are essentially saying
what is the power that TCP has?
Tajan Bab.
1 lakh fine.
What
else?
No, Tajan Bab,
Demolish.
fine is a...
No.
The town
No,
planning,
the
Town
Panchayat-
planning has no powers to demolish.
No,
the town and country planning simply should
Panchayat-
put on those plans. This does not mean it is for construction. It is only an agricultural
Okay,
division.
okay,
but they don't put. Why? Because they
Therefore,
want that
because
thing.
what is not happening is trying to be happen now. No.
Okay.
Why are you jumping the gun?
Okay.
again
Also,
and
one
again?
simple question I want to ask you. Under the 73rd and 74th Amendment, planning is to go to the villages and the municipalities. Why is it not going? It means you want to subvert that also.
No. Who told you to not go?
So why is the PDA there? We don't
But
need
you are
PDAs.
saying, but you want to say that the power should be given to them and
Yeah.
there should be no PDA and they will only
by
control.
You have the
Constitution,
town
they get it,
planning
no?
department to act as a
Constitution
techno-authority.
tells you to consult them.
No, the Supreme Court order clearly states it is to go to the villages and the
If the
and
Supreme
municipalities.
Court order says though,
Yes.
please let us not sit down and do this. Please go to the court.
That's what we have to do
So
eventually.
you are telling people...
I have gone to courts.
So you are telling people
Yes.
that we are going to do this irrespective
No.
of public
I am
opinion.
telling- no.
If you have a problem, go to the
No,
court.
I am trying to tell you, we are doing things as per law.
No, it's not as per
No,
law.
we
And
have-
if it is not as per law, go to the court.
People of Kandolim have already challenged it. They have gone to the court. Court have issued notices, and it is there very clearly. Court has asked, can ODP override section 238 and 239 of the Goa Panchayati Raj Act, and also Article 243G of the Constitution of India? These are the points to be taken into consideration. So people are already objected. Now, for any planning, you need a land use map. Even to form a PDA land, there is no land use map. ODPs are being pushed on the people. No land use map at all. So without land use map, without infrastructure, how do you plan?
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात दिन बाब, I'll come to you. अशी परिस्थिती भितर जर पीडीए एक्सपांड जावपाक लागल्यो, तुम्ही एक गजाल सांगले की एक सिटीचीच पीडीए 2-3 भागां भितर ब्रेक करप इज नॉट अ व्हेरी वायज ऑप्शन बिकॉज अल्टिमेटली इट इज वन सिटी विथ वन नेचर. In the same way, you are raising objections on expansion because then ultimately the planning has to go to people. It cannot be to an authority. अशी परिस्थिती भितर regional planaचे कितें जाता? If our PDA start expanding, where there is very little distance between urban, suburban and a rural Goa, practically no. What happens to regional plan?
That is the idea. They want to actually kill the regional plan, which is completely a disaster because the regional plan clearly makes sure that we protect these eco-sensitive zones. And it looks at the densities. All this is based on census data. What are the expanding areas? Certain areas maybe are reducing in population, certain areas are increasing greatly. So settlement areas given in the regional plan clearly take that data into account. And when we say regional plan 2021, it doesn't mean that 2021 it goes. I mean, the regional plan 2001 was actually made in the 70s.
Correct.
It was just a benchmark date, but it means that the regional plan 2021 can go on for much more, a longer period. But we have to look at the pressures of planning, what are the issues, and give support to the local authorities. We have to take people on board at the lower level because it is their lives. If we have this top-down process of planning, we're going to have disasters. People are going to be very unhappy, and it will affect the whole political situation. It's very important that political bodies also take the opinion of the people on board. Without that, planning is a disaster. And then, as you said, you only have commitments.
In Kandolim, what is talking about eco-sensitive zone. In Kandolim, a road is shown in the mangroves, which is shown as forest. So that is the planning. In the mangrove, big road is shown, fort. Now that is not planning. You cannot, because the court is going to put it down. Court is not going to allow you to make a road through the mangroves. So this is the type of planning they are showing just to fool the people. Finally, they say ODP, and the only people who benefit out of it is the builders from Delhi and other places. The local people are not benefiting. See, people have sold this idea saying that your houses will get regularized, you can build more. Now there is a CRZ law which you cannot build more than 35%. So they're just fooling the people. And they're trying to get more and more villages. Pristine village like Parra today. If you get it into the planning area, again, you see what has happened to Arpara Baga, the whole hill is covered with construction now.
एक गजाल ट्रायन सिरियस आसा हातूंत भितर ज्या मोमेंटाक तुम्ही पीडीएस एक्सपांड करपाक लागतात फॉर एग्जांपल इवन इफ द सिटी ग्रोज you don't need to take villages into PDAs. You can plan your regional plan accordingly and ensure that the growth is not hindered. तुम्ही villages PDA भितर घालतात, that raises a big question.
See, this question is just in the air. It is
No, and you are not assuring me that you won't do it.
No.
You are saying, let's see.
Again, I am trying to tell you is the TCP minister, as he has pointed out, he has shown something. All are discussing on their past experiences, and which is absolutely torpedoing
As
what
a
the
citizen,
minister.
as a citizen, my present experience is I don't have a single planning authority planning for me.
So I want to do it now. Allow me to do it. For the first time, a TDR policy has come, which is talks of pristine land of the eco-sensitive zone, where the owner will not lose anything. He'll also gain, and therefore he will not be in a hurry to sell it immediately, because you can transfer it somewhere else. So why are you not giving us a chance by talking of all the past? He has been in the PDA, he has been in the regional plan, nothing has happened. Give us a chance.
You are ready to give them a chance?
What happened to the regional plan? You're saying the regional plan, nothing has happened.
No, it will go on. It is going. He
No,
said,
so why is the
then you
regional
have
plan
a
not being implemented?
2021 plan now.
Of course, you can have a regional
No.
plan. How
This is
did it-
absolutely
Rajan,
not.
a simple question.
Only
What?
4
No,
years
no.
I have for it.
Rajan, what?
Again you want to
no,
plan
Rajan,
another 10 years?
what Dean is asking is very simple. What is the priority? Breaking up of PDAs or getting the
Priority
functional
is to
regional
stop
plan?
the Jopat pattis that are happening.
Getting a
because of no
functional
proper-
getting a functional regional plan is the priority,
Can
or
you
breaking the
tell me-
PDS is the
Tell
priority.
me what they could not do for 7 years, you want to do in 6 months? Please.
You want to give them a chance?
See, what is the chance? What are they planning? Because we have seen now, like he said, this I see as a fight between what they used to call the kingmaker and the king. So this is what is happening. So now the kingmaker is unhappy. He is complaining about his this being bifurcated. In the end, Goa will suffer. So you see, you bifurcate. There should be one idea. A one man sitting on the this, he should have one idea. You divide it. 3 people are going to have 3 different ideas. So there is going to be no planning. So my only problem is getting, like I said before, getting the villages into this. Where why did we have this excessive regional plan? Why did we have all these village experts? Why do you have the villagers sit down in the Gram Sabha and plan for themselves? So why do you want this PDA now? ODB?
Let me tell you one thing.
I'll give you a final word.
Yeah, keep the regional plan on hold. You're going to have the rubbish like the IPB taking place, because there has to be this vent where quietly on the side you're letting things pass by. If you implement the regional plan, you don't need things like the IPB over there.
Dean, very frankly, on your top 3 priorities of TCP right now,
Yeah.
what would you list them?
TCP should be a supportive agency to the village panchayat.
Now, what should the TCP do first now? Regional plan?
The regional plan should be implemented immediately.
Then-
if you have to take it back to the village to get a minor correction done, by all means, a lot of people say it's too less or something, or too more, or whatever. Yes, take it back to the villagers and let them decide, because it's their plan. Yeah. As Agnal said, rightly, it's gone to a lot of Gram Sabhas. It's 99% there. If there's 1% correction, by all means, let the TCP
See
be
what has
involved
been
in
passed by
correcting
Gram Sabhas
Yeah.
has been changed over here at the moment.
Correct.
1 minute. Wait, what?
Correct.
So where is the
But
question of
then what is the priority, Trajan Bab? I'm on that.
Priority-
Bifurcation of
priorities
PDAs
that Goa-
or getting a functional regional plan
See,
out.
Just thought he said there is no land use plan up till today.
Yeah.
Yes, the TCP minister 2 months ago has asked for the land use plan. He can't do it. And then you shout that it is being bifurcated. A man who cannot do the work properly suddenly becomes an hero.
Okay. हांव
Then
इतल्याचेर
Jopatpatti is going on throughout left, right and center.
हय म्हजो वेळ सारको सोंपला हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता म्हाका दिसता ट्राजन बाबाचो फूल डिबेटा भितर एक आर्ग्युमेंट आसा की गिव अस अ चान्स आनी आमी सिटीजन्स नागरीक सद्या अशी परिस्थिती भितर आसात की कोणाचेर विश्वास दवरपाक भंय दिसता आनी राजकारणाचेर विश्वास दवरपाक तर इल्लो चडूच भंय दिसता सो इफ यू आर सेयींग दॅट गिव अस अ चान्स अँड वी वूड डू समथींग
तो म्हणटा ज्या मनशान करूंक ना तेका परत दोत्ता पीडीएचो चेअरमॅन
वा.
तो म्हणटा 5 वर्सां पयलीं करूंक ना तेका कित्याक दोत्ता तेणें करूं ना तेका काडपाचो तुमी
तुम्ही म्हणटा
काडटा मरे.
की
कित्याक पाड काडटा पूण तो प्लॅनिंगाक जर बरो ना जाल्यार आमी सफर जातले न्हू
What we have said that he is overburdened. 5 years he could not do it. Now we are bifurcating. Let us see what he does with his part.
म्हाका
The TCP minister is new. He is not 5 years
ना
there.
म्हाका ट्राजना एकूच दिसता की गिविंग अ चान्स आय थिंक नोबडी विल बी एवर्स टू इट बट लोकांची सद्याक इतलोच तकल्या भितर भंय आहा की चान्स दिवन तुमी चान्स मारचो न्ही इतलीच म्हाका दिसता अपेक्षा आसा तुमचे कडच्यान तितलीच एक राजकीय पक्ष आनी एक जबाबदार राजकारणी म्हणून तुमी तकलेक दवरतले इतलेच मागतना आनी
जबाबदार आसा
थांबता
लोकांचे
इतलेच
प्रश्न
मागता आनी
सोडोवपाक.
थांबता तितली उरचे आयल्या तुमी इतली बरी भशेन मत मारली थँक्स अ लॉट पळयत रावात प्रुडंट नमस्कार